The roads in a logging camp during the winter were plowed with the use of a plow and a horse. And then if they were getting towards spring, they would bring in ice and snow that were packed in the forest and use this vehicle to spread it down so they could continue their logging operations a little longer. This is the brake so that the horses that pulled the sled didn't get run over on a downhill in the forest. The boat that you see here pulls the logs from the lakes in a big bunch and takes them . The Alligator was able to wrench together a lot of logs and pull them along from lake to lake. And the remarkable thing about the Alligator is that it could even wrench itself from lake to lake over land. Logging still continues in Algonquin, but for different reasons than what happened in the 1830s. The trees in the forest are now logged. Very large trees are removed. Sick trees are removed. Dead trees are removed. And this all brings together a better forest. With a 20 horsepower engine, an Alligator could pull log booms of up to 60,000 logs.